I do thank God that we are still all alive. So I welcome you to our today's class, and we are to learn about working with files and folders. So let us not waste a lot of time and let us dive into the class. So what is a file? What is a file? So it is working with files and folders. What is a file? Folders. So files and folders are common terms when we are dealing with computers, when we are dealing with computer devices. So we normally say that a file is a collection of related data given a unique name and a storage location for easy access. So a file, for example, when you create your Microsoft Office Word document, you have typed there your work, you've done Excel worksheets, you have done your PowerPoints, you've done your Excels, your Word, what. So when you are saving it becomes a file. We call it a file. So when I ask you that where is your file, so I'm like saying that where is your document? If it was called the tests, let's say that you are a teacher and you gave out tests in Microsoft Office Word. So in Microsoft Office Word, it means that those tests were saved as tests. So test is a file name, meaning that if I want to see my tests, I will look for a file called test. So examples of files, that is why actually we are saying that a file is a collection of related data. That is why you see there is some connection between what is stored within that file. So we are saying that it is given a unique name because it has to be separate from others, and a storage location for easy access. Examples of files are a typed essay, that is a document, a CV, an audio, that is music, song, a video, that is movie, images or pictures. Then a folder is a storage location for related files. So what does it mean? A folder is like a parent, and a parent constructs a house. So within the house there are what we call children and the wife and the likes. So the children and the wife and the likes and other things are files within the father's house, which is called a folder. So a folder is a storage location for related files, folders. Within a folder, you find there other folders and subfolders. So it's like how you may find that this is, for example, a house for someone. But within the house, there are other houses. For example, stores. For example, there is latrines. For example, there are very many other houses, boys' quarter, etc. So you find that it's a folder, but within the folder there are other folders and even files and subfolders. So folders can be used to organize your work. The importance of folders: one is to organize your work in a proper location. Always give a folder your names and class or registration number in case you are a student. Or if in case you are this old person, you can give it a name which will uniquely identify it from other folders. For example, Agnes, a 6-word Excel, PowerPoint, database, notes, notes. Then within the folder called notes, there is O-level, A-level, biology, entertainment folder. Within entertainment folder there is music, there is videos, there is pictures. So we want to see how do you create a folder on a desktop. After seeing all these purposes of a folder, how do you create a folder on a desktop? And I said that a desktop is the first screen which is always displayed when the computer finishes starting. The first screen that is displayed on a computer after finishing, actually on a computer's monitor or on a computer screen when it finishes the starting process. So they're saying that to create a folder on a desktop, right click on black space on desktop, right click any black space on the desktop. Select new. From that dialog box that appears after right clicking, select new, then continue and select folder. Type set folder name, e.g. Madero Joffin. Press the enter key from the keyboard. It means that after pressing the enter key, your folder will have been created. So to see that, you will go on and open your folder and create. You will open your folder and create a file of a Word document called Reading Lesson 1. So this is like a task that they are giving us. So let us see how to create a folder. They are saying that on your screen, and this is the screen, this one, the screen that opens up. So they said that you right click on this screen, and after right clicking, this box will pop up. Then select new and select folder. Then after getting the folder, it will come here displaying a certain thing like new folder thingy. So you give it a name. So these things that are there, you will bring there the cursor, then you press the backspace to remove everything. Then you type there the name of the folder. For example, lessons. And then press enter key to have your folder created on the desktop thingy, on your desktop screen. So hoping that the lesson has been enjoyable and you've learned something. Then to see, you double click on that folder for it to open. Now it is empty because nothing is stored in this folder. Are you with me? So thank you so much for studying. Thank you so much for staying with me. I do wish you a good evening. Continue to subscribe, continue to share, and continue to click that notification bell for you to always receive the updates I do on a daily basis on some days, for us to learn, and eradicate or remove the problem most people are having when it comes to ICT, either in business or in any other activity. Thank you so much. I do wish you a good day. AHEBWA Martin Palm Ops Foundation.